Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Topic of the day and question of the day. Find the inverse of f of x is equal to 3x minus 8. So first we define inverse function. That what is inverse function? Inverse function, that function which takes x as dependent variable and y as independent variable is called inverse function. Mathematically it is denoted by x is equal to f of inverse y. That function which takes x as a dependent variable in response of y as independent variable is called inverse function. Now let's come to find the inverse of the given function. So we have given f of x is equal to 3x minus 8, but we know that y is equal to f of x. By definition of inverse function, x is equal to f of inverse y. So the inverse function of y is equal to f of x is the function x is equal to f of inverse y formed by interchanging the variable x and y for y is equal to x. So if y is equal to f of x is equal to 3x minus 8, then y is equal to 3x minus 8. If xy is a point on the graph of f of x, then y comma x will be the point on the graph of x is equal to f of inverse y. So y is equal to 3x minus 8. Now we want to find the value of x from this equation. Y minus 8 is equal to 3x. Divide both sides by 3. 3 cancel. X is equal to y minus 8 divided by 3. So this is equation number 2. Put equation number 1 in equation 2. So f of inverse y equal to y minus 8 divided by 3. Now replace y by x. So f of inverse x is equal to x minus 8 divided by 3 is the required inverse function of the function f of x is equal to 3x minus 8. Thanks.